welcome back to our channel. So today I'll show you step by step how I reinstalled our KIARA unit. But first I am coloring the wig using some leftover Adore dye. So you see it's like oranges and reds, and this is the final outcome. Very vibrant, and this is exactly the look my client was going for. Prep the wig before reinstalling. Get you some heat protectant and a hot comb, and then what you want to do is hot comb the hair going back so it's out of the way when you lay the lace. Ball cap and the skin prep was done off camera. Here I am now applying my first layer of Bold Hold Active Adhesive. Spread it evenly using the end of your rat tooth comb. Once the glue dries clear, you want to pull the lace into the glue. So I prefer to start in the middle. This is the most important area of the lace, the middle piece, so you want it as seamless as possible. So I like to go back in using a hot comb and just to smooth everything back. Now I'm going in using my Fantasia holding spray to further melt the lace. After about 5 minutes, I removed the melt band and began to remove any extra lace or glue down any areas that I missed. She decided on a deep side part, which is achievable because she has a larger lace. She has our 13 by 6 HD frontal wig. Achieve just about any hairstyle you desire. You can do a half up, half down, no extra bundle required. I'll have another video showing you guys the size of our lace. Now that the hair is parted, it's time for us to work on the baby hairs. So what I'm doing now is pulling down the baby hairs. Let's go back in with our heat protecting hot comb to flatten out the wig. Make sure you hot comb in small sections so you have the flattest outcome. This is an important step to make sure your wig is not wiggy. It kills me because I have so many clients who are wig lovers, but they do not own a hot comb. Like, this is so unacceptable, ladies. I'm not saying you have to hot comb your hair every single day, but once it starts looking humpy and bumpy, you better hot comb it. I said what I said. Now we're defining her curls with water and eco styling gel, and we're going for the wet look. Okay, when you're doing this step, make sure you do not spray the part that we hot comb, because if not, it'll wave up and look humpy and bumpy. Back to the baby hairs. Here I am thinning out the baby hairs using the tweezers. We love natural baby hairs over here, but I understand everyone has their preference. Some people like it natural, some people like the dramatic ones, some people like the baby hairs touching their eyebrows, but you know. I'm going in with my pencil flat iron. Like I mentioned in previous videos, I like to curl the sides upward and the sideburns going downward. So grab your eyebrow razor and then you want to cut your baby hairs in an angle. For a longer hold, I like to use Gorilla Snot Gel and Freeze Spray, and just remember, less is more. For the beginners, I highly recommend this method instead of using foam mousse. If you do not know what you're doing and you try to apply the foam mousse on the lace, all that hard work you just did went down the drain because the lace will lift immediately. Trust me, I know from experience. final outcome. Let's get into it. So y'all, I thought we were done, but my client, she wanted to cut 26 inches. Like what? I was so mad, y'all, but listen, you gotta give the clients what they asked for, right? Y'all, I could have just knocked her head off. Like, who cuts a $600 wig, a 26-inch wig, into a ball? Like, what? Here's the final outcome. Sis got her bob, y'all. It came out pretty nice. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and tutorials. Comment below if there's anything else you want me to further explain. Bye.